the ever-changing world of offshore operations, safety and compliance are paramount. That's why we're excited to introduce SPRINT-Nav DP, the latest in dynamic positioning technology. SPRINT-Nav DP is a self-contained unit. It combines the power of advanced inertial navigation systems and high-performance acoustic positioning that can be used in shallow water down to 200 meters. It integrates seamlessly with the vessel's dynamic positioning system. SPRINT-Nav negates GNSS outages during operations, spoofing and jamming, making it the perfect solution for applications where GPS is unreliable. SPRINT-Nav DP is easy to deploy, fits through a standard gate valve and doesn't require any special training. Simply deploy it through a gate valve on your vessel and connect to your DP system. SPRINT-Nav DP uses a combination of acoustic Doppler velocity log, DVL, and inertial navigation, tightly coupled to provide accurate and reliable positioning data. SPRINT-Nav has built a legacy from providing reliable, high-performing navigation solutions to the world of ocean robotics for over a decade. This makes it the perfect solution for a variety of applications, including wind farm construction, operations and support, subsea cable laying, and offshore oil and gas production. SPRINT-Nav DP is the future of dynamic positioning technology. It's safe, reliable, and easy to use. If you're looking for a way to improve your safety and compliance in the offshore environment, then SPRINT-Nav is the perfect solution for you.